This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, April 23rd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You're going to see the storm system that brought rain and thunderstorms to the eastern half of the state on Friday is now off to our east from Michigan down to Oklahoma, bringing showers, thunderstorms, and severe weather and flooding rain, including one tornado that went through the northern part of the St. Louis metropolitan area, damaging Lambert Airport. Here's a watch warning map from around midnight last night. You can see some severe thunderstorm and tornado watch boxes across the Ohio Valley and into North Texas, flash, flood, and flood watches from Missouri up into Pennsylvania, some winter weather issues in Colorado, the rest of the nation quiet. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. This includes rain that fell last night, so only a quarter of an inch of rain possible over the northwestern half of the state, but upwards of almost 2 inches over the southeast, and the bullseye still in southern Missouri at 9.5 to 10 inches. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see that storm system that brought the severe weather and the storms of yesterday will be long gone. Here's the surface chart. The low will be south of James Bay. The front will begin to stall south of the state from about Pittsburgh to about Springfield, Missouri, and that's where the severe weather and the rain and storms will be. By Sunday, you can see that front is still from about Pittsburgh to about Springfield, Missouri. It will begin to move northward late Sunday night into Monday morning, and that could bring a shower to southern Iowa at that time. Here's Monday afternoon. You can see the rain is now moving back into the state. It should remain light, maybe some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Severe weather is not anticipated. By Tuesday, that low is now moved into northern lower Michigan. There could be some backwash showers across the eastern counties of the state at that time. By Wednesday, a new low is formed along that front near Bowling Green, Kentucky. That could bring some lingering clouds over the southeastern counties. The rest of the state will be clearing and cooler. Thursday, that low is now moved up into southeastern Ontario with a trailing cold front through the east coast. Will remain cool but close to average. Friday, southwesterly winds will begin to bring warm and moist air back into the state. Some rain is possible over northwest Iowa Friday afternoon into the evening. It'll move into the rest of the state in Friday night and into Saturday here, where low will be Saturday afternoon over the U.S.-Canadian border with a cold front moving from about Green Bay to about Omaha. Severe weather could be possible then. Now we head into voodoo country. Here's May 3rd. You can see a wavy pattern over the country, a bit of a ridge over the Gulf of Mexico, a trough out over the northern Rockies, big trough over Gulf of Alaska. Down at the surface, low pressure over Nebraska. That will bring some southerly winds, some moisture, possibly some severe weather in and across the state at that time. As we head into the next day, that on May the 4th, that low is now over the northeastern part of the state, so there could be several rounds, one Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then again on Thursday afternoon and into the evening. And then here at the end of the forecast period on May the 8th, a big trough over the southwestern part of the country with a ridge over the southeast and the Gulf of Mexico. Down at the surface, it looks rather muddled with a front possibly in the area, so that could mean some showers, possibly a storm or two across the area. But this is way out there. We're just looking for stuff out here. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.